Hey, so does Walmart integrate with QuickBooks Online? And the answer is yes. And there's a really cool connector app that can help you connect between the two. And it's called Link My Books. In the description of the video, you're going to find a special free trial link of Link My Books, plus free onboarding and the best discount for Link My Books, plus tutorial videos that show you how to make the most out of it. So Walmart integration, Link My Books, helps you sync Walmart payouts with deposits in Xero or QuickBooks with precise tracking of sales, refunds, fees, and taxes. So QuickBooks is like accounting and bookkeeping software. So accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot, save time and money by automating your bookkeeping, all sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately accounted for, automatic bank deposit matching with Xero and QuickBooks, built-in support for VAT, GST, and sales tax. So gain financial clarity with Link My Books. Check out free trial, free onboarding link in the description with the best discounts and the tutorial videos. Now, another cool thing about Link My Books is that it can be used by e-commerce sellers and also by accountants and bookkeepers that are managing e-commerce sellers. They can use this accounting bookkeeping software to help them streamline their processes. So if you're an e-commerce seller, in the description of the video, you're going to find the link to this video where myself, great to meet you, Amazon seller Vova Evan, and Daniel Little, who's the co-founder of Link My Books. In this video, we show you how to use Link My Books from A to Z for e-commerce sellers. We explain you all the ins and outs of the software, how it works, how to start using it, basically an A to Z tutorial of the software Link My Books. Now, if you are an accountant or bookkeeper, then we have prepared another video for you with Daniel Little and myself again. And in this 41-minute tutorial, we show you how you can make the most out of Link My Books as an accountant or bookkeeper. So we show you the other side of Link My Books. And in this video, you'll be able to understand exactly how to make the most out of it for your accounting or bookkeeping business. So again, check out in the description the link to Link My Books. If you're looking to sync Walmart with QuickBooks or even with Xero, then check out Link My Books. In the description, there's a free trial, free onboarding link, and also special coupon code and the tutorial videos. I'm wishing you a great day. Be well, keep going. Good luck.